The construction crew arrived early in the morning. We need to secure the building permits before starting. Safety gear is essential on a construction site. The blueprint outlines the entire project. Heavy machinery is required for excavation. The foundation must be poured before any walls are built. We are using eco-friendly materials for this project. The contractor provided an estimate for the costs. Scaffolding is necessary for working at heights. The project timeline has been revised due to delays. We need to inspect the site for hazards. Concrete curing is crucial for structural integrity. The electricians will install the wiring next week. This building will feature an open floor plan. The roof needs to be waterproofed before winter. We should consider using sustainable practices in construction. The city has strict regulations for noise control. All workers must wear hard hats on site. We are installing energy-efficient windows. The crane lifted the steel beams into place. Regular maintenance is vital for construction equipment. The demolition process will take several days. The project manager oversees all aspects of construction. We must conduct soil tests before proceeding. The new bridge will enhance transportation in the area. The workers are skilled in masonry and carpentry. Plumbing installation is scheduled for next month. The design includes modern architectural elements. Temporary fencing is needed to secure the site. We need to schedule a meeting with the architects. The foundation was reinforced with steel rebar. It's important to adhere to the project timeline. The landscape design will complement the building. The construction site must be kept clean and organized. The first inspection revealed several code violations. The concrete mixer was delivered yesterday. The project requires a large workforce. The walls will be framed with wood studs. The electrical work must pass inspection before drywall. We are implementing a quality control process. The foundation needs to settle for at least a month. A safety meeting is scheduled for Friday. We are using prefabricated components for efficiency. The site supervisor is responsible for daily operations. The new building will feature a green roof. Proper ventilation is crucial for indoor air quality. The renovation includes updating the plumbing system. We need to order more materials for the next phase. The site has been cleared of debris. A backup generator is required for power outages. The insulation helps improve energy efficiency. The walls are being painted a bright color. We are using CAD software for design. The excavation revealed some underground utilities. The construction workers are union members. We are on track to finish ahead of schedule. The client requested additional changes to the design. The cost of materials has increased significantly. We must ensure compliance with building codes. The finish carpentry will add a polished look. The landscaping will be completed in the spring. Temporary utilities were set up for the site. The project will include ample parking space. The building will have a state-of-the-art HVAC system. The new library is set to open next year. We need to address the drainage issues immediately. The fire safety system must be installed before occupancy. The walls were insulated to reduce noise. We are utilizing local suppliers for materials. The site is being monitored for environmental impact. The construction zone is clearly marked with signs. We are planning to install solar panels on the roof. The framing process is almost complete. The city provided grants for sustainable construction. We must schedule the final walkthrough with the client. The project manager handles all budget concerns. We are waiting for the final approval from the city. The elevator installation is scheduled for next month. The design includes accessibility features. The new building will serve as a community center. We are collaborating with engineers on the project. The construction timeline has been affected by weather. Quality materials are essential for long-lasting structures. We need to finalize the contract with the subcontractors. The site is equipped with surveillance cameras for security. The drywall installation will begin next week. The roof trusses were delivered early in the morning. We are planning an open house to showcase the new building. The project requires careful budgeting and planning. We must address any worker safety concerns immediately. The new road construction will alleviate traffic congestion. The concrete must be poured quickly to avoid setting. We are using a mix of traditional and modern techniques. The HVAC ducts are being installed in the ceiling. The timeline was adjusted to accommodate the weather delays. The concrete block walls are sturdy and durable. The site will feature native plants in the landscaping. We are conducting regular site inspections. The city approved the final design last week. The construction site is closed on weekends for safety. We are exploring options for noise reduction during construction. The zoning laws dictate what can be built in the area. The first phase of construction is almost complete. The project requires an environmental impact assessment. We must ensure the site is accessible for emergency vehicles. The plumbing rough-in is scheduled for next week. The architect's vision is coming to life. The masonry work will add character to the building. The flooring installation is underway. We need to source sustainable building materials. The site is being graded for proper drainage. The building will include a rainwater harvesting system. We are implementing dust control measures on site. The construction team is working overtime to meet deadlines. The structural engineer approved the final design. We are using reclaimed wood for the finishing touches. The installation of fire alarms is a priority. The city requires a noise mitigation plan. The roof installation is crucial for weather protection. We need to order more concrete for the foundation. The plumbing fixtures were delivered last week. The exterior will be finished with brick veneer. We are collaborating with local artists for the murals. The project will enhance the local economy. The foundation is crucial for the stability of the building. We are implementing safety training for all workers. The construction site will have adequate lighting. The design phase includes extensive consultations with stakeholders. We are using digital tools to enhance project management. The project aims to minimize waste during construction. The final touches will be completed in the coming weeks.